it looks like we could potentially see another storm. John, kind of tell us a little bit about the storms that are coming this way, because we just can't seem to catch the break.
I know it. We're kind of stuck in this pattern. As you can see, we've got a stubborn frontal system, an old frontal boundary that is lying right across the area. And so that's keeping much movement in the way of air masses through East Texas. We've got a very hot and humid one, and we're going to continue to see that. We saw the thunderstorms break out earlier today in West Texas, and they continue to move through the central portions of the state. We got severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 o'clock just west of the Metroplex. To the north of that, where that low is spinning, that's a tornado watch. That covers parts of the Texas Panhandle as well as Oklahoma. And then off to the east, we did have earlier severe thunderstorm watch in effect for a large part of Louisiana. And right now, we continue to see thunderstorms there. Some of those continue to be severe, producing some strong damaging winds as well as some large hail up to about golf ball size from some of those thunderstorms. And to the west of the Metroplex, still severe thunderstorms there in parts of Texas. As these continue to move eastward, if they hold together, they should be crossing East Texas and then be east of our area by after midnight tonight. So that would be a round of thunderstorms that could come later on. And then tomorrow, we've got another chance for seeing some thunderstorms. Here's the way that should shape up as we go through Futurecast. You can see that we remain cloudy, temperatures in the 80s at midnight, and most of those storms moving off toward the east. During the overnight hours, possibility we could see a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm here and there. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, more activity possible for East Texas, but note these triple-digit temperatures that are starting to show up into the low 100s across the area. And you combine that with the dew points, which are incredibly high. They're in the upper 70s to the low 80s, and that makes it very hard for you to cool off when that humidity is that high. And so that's why we've got this oppressive heat. We've had an excessive heat warning for a large part of the southern portions of East Texas, and that will be probably issued again tomorrow and again on Tuesday. As we go through Monday afternoon, look at these triple-digit temperatures, some up to about 105 degrees. Put in the dew points, and it's going to feel like it's 110 to 115. In some cases, I saw as much as 118 or approaching 120. So this is going to be some very hard heat to contend with. Same thing on Tuesday with those triple-digit temperatures before we finally catch a little bit of a break as we get into the middle and latter portion of the week. Low temperatures today normally are about 70 to 72. Most of those were in the 70s. We did see, of course, some mistakes in there in low temperatures with those 90s, but that occasionally happens. As we look at high temperatures today, they were into the 90s and above normal for this time of the year. The low level moisture, here are those dew points I mentioned, into the low 80s and the upper 70s. Coping with the heat, sweat evaporation slows down when you've got this high humidity, so make sure you drink plenty of water and stay in air-conditioned rooms if you can. For tonight, low temperature 76 degrees, still a chance for a few severe storms. High tomorrow 95, heat index up to 110, a chance of severe storms in the afternoon, and we'll have sunshine and hot temperatures for much of the upcoming week. Check that forecast at fox51.com anytime.
Thank you, John. With the possibility of more storms, make sure to download the East Texas Storm Team app. You can do it right now by scanning the code on your screen. Get current conditions, track rain on our radar, all in one place. Look for it on your phone's Apple Store.